There is a question that is it compulsory to be in wudu when you touch the Quran? There is no Quranic verse that tells you should be in wudu, but there is a hadith of the Prophet ﷺ that when he sent a letter to the people of Yemen, he said that none should touch the Quran except those who are pure. Now there is difference of opinion among the scholars whether is it fard for a person to be in wudu to touch the Quran. The majority of the scholars say yes, you should, because the word purity has 3 levels. That you should not be in najasat, and the Quran says that every mushrik is najas. Now here it's talking about impurity of soul, not impurity of body. So when you're impurity or ceremonial impurity. The third level is if you're not in wudu, if you're in wudu, then you are totally pure. 3 types of impurity: one impurity of kafir or mushrik, the second is impurity of najasa because of menstruation, ejaculation, and third impurity is if you're not. It does agree unanimously that if you are in major impurity, if you are in najasa, or if you are have an ejaculation or intercourse, then you should not touch the Quran physically. Now coming to the question that whichever scholars you believe in, whether it's a fard or not to be fard, can we touch the mobile? Can we open the Quran on the mobile and read it, or on a tablet or on a computer or any electronic device? All the scholars unanimously agree that the ruling for touching a mushaf, a copy of the Quran, is not the same for an electronic device, whether it be a mobile phone, whether it be a smartphone, whether it be a tablet, whether it be a computer. This doesn't apply, so there is no question that you should be in wudu. All the scholars agree that reading the Quran you don't have